Hi there, and here we are. This is it. Toad Dragon. Well, my interpretation of Toad Dragon. This was no, it took me a long time. It took me too long. I don't know if I'm going to be doing things that are so long, because I kind of start them and then I think, oh, why am I doing this? And then I go back to them and I sort of think I must push to finish them. And like I've got other projects that sort of like are in my head. It's sort of like I'm going to put a house on top of this elephant that I don't know. I saw the elephant and I thought, oh yeah, I'll do something with it, and then I thought, no, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But anyway, that was a while back. But here we are. I finally got it painted. I don't like painting. I don't know how people paint, and they paint so well. I sort of like, I've seen some stuff and it's really nice. But there you go. It is every horses for courses. That's what they say. I don't have to say that anywhere else but here. But yeah. Here we are. So this is me, and the best I can do with some of it was out of focus and everything. I don't know. This ain't easy. I knew it wouldn't be easy, but I didn't know it'd be this difficult. But bear with me, and some of you, bless you, the people that are subscribed, I admire your fortitude. But there you go. So we're a team. There you go. Tongue's falling off. Tongue. There you go. I should stick it, but I don't know if I want to store it. So like if I stick the tongue in, it stays in. So there you go. Nurgle Toad Dragon. Yeah. I'll get to play with it and enter we've got a local Warhammer place, and they're very nice there. They put up with me. So anyway, when I go there, I talk about Warhammer and bits and pieces, and making models and gluing models together. I've got loads of them. But anyway, I'm gonna, half of this is gonna end up on the cutting room floor. So there you go. Nurgle X-Files. The Nurgle X-Files, that's what we call it. Not the Nurgle Diaries. Someone very good has got that. Nurgle X-Files. There you go. Rawr. Okay, enjoy the video, and please subscribe and ring the bell, or whatever it is that people do. Really helps. And see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.